how to change the color interface of Adobe Photoshop. And you can use this one any kind of Adobe Photoshop versions. Okay, so if you have any kind of confusion about that, you can watch this video until the last. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel, and that's why you have to subscribe and you have to press in the bell icon right now. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So now I'm going to show you my computer screen, and you have to follow all the steps to change your the interface of Adobe Photoshop. So here is my computer screen, and I'm going to show you how can you change the interface of your Adobe Photoshop. It's too much easy. So sometime you need to change your interface. In that time, how can you change that one? So just check just watch this video until the last. So first of all, go to edit and just click in the preference, then go to in the interface. Okay, now you will get see there are different kind of color themes available. You can make it dark, you can make it light, and you can make it different kind of color, whatever you want. Okay, and now you can see there are lots of options available. There is default color available. You can make it light gray. Okay, and it's asking you full screen with a menus, so it means you want to make it black or you want to make it dark. You can choose this one. Okay, and another is also full screen, it's mean black. Okay, and the options also available there in the below, and there are also lots of options available. It's telling that auto collapse iconic panels. So if you click here and if you click in the OK, now you can see there is lots of changes available inside here. Okay, so from the interface, just wait for a moment. Okay, so from the interface you can change the color theme. Okay, from here. So it's too much easy for you also, right? So you can use this one. So hoping that you understand. That's it. Hoping that you understand how can you change the color interface of your Adobe Photoshop. And still, if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. So hoping that you understand, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much once again. Goodbye. See you again.